Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about the creatures that live under the sea. Fish. There are a lot of fish in the deep sea. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are found all over the world, from surface waters to the deep sea. Crab, a sea creature with a flat round body covered by a shell. Seashells are the empty shells of small creatures. Shrimps are slender creatures. Seahorses are tiny fishes that are named for the shape of their head, which looks like the head of a tiny horse. Turtles are reptiles, a reptile that has a shell covering its body. Crayfish. They can live in water as deep as 650 feet. Sea star or starfish live exclusively in the deep sea. Corals are in fact animals, not plants. Naturally colorful because of algae, corals are found across the world's ocean, in both shallow and deep water. Rocks and stones are found easily. There are shallow water marine limestones and deep water marine limestones. Octopus are sea animals. Other octopus species live in deep, dark waters. Oysters are found at depths, but very few are found deeper than 40 meters. A variety of sea anemones are found in the deep sea. Seals can dive as deep as 1,500 feet, and they can stay underwater because of their amazing oxygen storage capabilities. Sharks are also deep-sea animals. They can be found in deep and shallow oceans throughout the world's oceans. Whales are the largest animals on Earth and they live in every ocean. Whales spend much of their time in deep water. Sea urchins, the round and spiky creatures that can be found in both shallow and deep waters. Dolphins that live in oceans, deep seas and rivers all over the world. They are very intelligent like us. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more interesting and informative videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.